Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to use Google Maps offline. First, open up your Google Maps, click on your profile on the top right corner, then click on Offline Maps. Then you have two options. Either you download the recommended maps, which is usually the city you live in, or you can select your own map to download. I'm going to select the first option and click on it. Once you click on it, you can now move and select your preferred location that you want to download. Click on Download. The map will be downloaded here, and you can rename it by clicking on the three dots here. And now you can successfully use Google Maps offline without an internet connection. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.